Car camping's over. Let's go get rid of the car wash and vacuum them out. Hop up. Oh my gosh, it's so weird checking my blind spot and not having a million things half blocking it. That'll be it. That was fun, huh? Alright, let's vacuum. Freak you out? You can go back. Go ahead. Go back. Go back. Good boy. Oh my gosh, your seat needs a vacuum so bad, Blue. You know it's a real cleaning day when I'm busting out wipes. I know you guys are probably like, Maria, if you're done camping, what does this mean for your channel? Because we just went from 2 years of nothing to a month's worth of daily videos. And I hear you. You know, I had a lot of time to think when I was camping with Blue and alone for 2 weeks on the road again. And I got to thinking about how much of a all or nothing kind of person I really am. I've had a lot of you guys DMing me asking if I couldn't just hit the road again full time like the old days and really move back into Rue, like all the way, not just car camp out of him. But the thing with that is, that would be so tough. There's like so much that would have to happen. Rue needs maintenance. There's so much that would need to get done on him. I'd have to pay for that. Hey!
How we doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, here's your keys.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Here is your money, sir. Appreciate it.
No problem.
I'd also have to get my totes out, you know, the ones that I used to put on my roof rack, because I put all my living stuff in those. I'd have to get those out, totally reorganize them. That would take a long time. I also need my new computer to come in, which I've had ordered for weeks and still hasn't come yet. Bubby said we'd also have to get a new Rode mic because ours broke. Anyways, I guess what I'm trying to say is